This video is going to be how to draw a butterfly. So go ahead and get your sketchbook or your small quarter-size sheet of paper, and here we go. The first step you're going to do is you're going to draw a letter O right here at the top third of your quarter-size sheet of paper. I'm not drawing on a full-size sheet of paper. I'm cutting a full-size sheet of paper into fours, and I'm just using one of the little pieces as we learn how to draw just using lines and shapes. So the first shape was a letter O, or a little circle right at the top. Next step we are going to draw is two small letter O's inside the middle, just like that. Okay, next step is we're going to draw the body part of the butterfly. It is going to be a letter U right under this letter O, just like that. Okay, the abdomen part of the butterfly, I'm going to draw a long letter U straight down just like that. Go back up, it's a long letter U. So there's the abdomen part of the butterfly. Okay, next step. Little smiley faces. We're going to divide the abdomen into some parts. Little smiley faces. Now you're going to get your pencil. You're going to put your pencil right here at the top part of this first letter U, and you're going to go out towards the corner of your paper over here, and you do the same on this side. Go out, diagonal going up, just like that. Now if I'm going too fast, make sure you pause the video. I'm using a marker, but hopefully you are using a pencil, and draw light. So that means you barely touch the paper, so if you make a mistake, the lines go away. Alright, the next step we're going to do is the wings of the butterfly. I'm going to go like this, curve like a letter C this way. Same on this side. This will be kind of like a backwards letter C, and try to make them even on both sides, which is called symmetry. Alright, and then I'm going to go put my pencil right here on the second letter U, and I'm going to go down and up and connect, just like that. So I'm going to do the same on this side. Go down and out, go up, and then connect. Now your butterfly doesn't have to be exactly like mine, but I'm showing you how to do it with lines and shapes, so you're following my direction, making your own butterfly. Next step we're going to do is we're going to do like a sideways letter U. We're going to touch the wing of this top wing. We're going to go out, kind of like a sideways letter U, and go back in and connect to the abdomen of the butterfly. Same thing on this side. Right in the middle of this wing, go out, go back in, connect to the abdomen of the butterfly. Alright, another letter U. Next step is over here, sideways letter U here. Do the same thing you did on this side, on this other side, which is called symmetry. The same thing you do on the left side, you do on the right side. And then a small one here, and a small one there. Okay, like I said, if I'm going too fast, make sure you pause the video to catch up. Next step is going to be the antennas. So the butterfly has an antenna. It's going to go to the right, like that, and then another one to the left. Letter O on each end. Okay, now inside the wings, they have some veins and some little designs. You can design it however you want, but I'm going to do another shape just like this, backwards letter 3, like that. Same thing I'm going to do on this side. And now you decorate your butterfly however you want with the veins and the designs. So whatever I do on the left side, I'm going to do on the right side. Make some circles and decorate your butterfly however you want to decorate it. And once you finish decorating, you make sure you get your color pencils or your crayons and color your butterfly whatever colors that you want. Give it some cute little eyes. And there is your butterfly. Make sure you subscribe to my page and look at more videos that I post learning how to draw with lines and shapes.